Have you ever attempted to delete a folder that is on your system, but instead Windows denies you and tells you you can't delete this file because it's open in a program, even though there is no app shown in the task manager? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix this easily. Now for testing, I will be using this application. This is just a random application named UEVR that I have on my system. And all I'm going to do is just open it and a window will pop up. Just ignore this. But now if I try to delete this file, you'll see that it says the action can't be completed because the file is open in UEVR injector. Now, this is actually really good because at least they're telling me where it's open, but in some cases, it'll literally just tell you it's open in a app, and then you go to task manager and it doesn't show it. So you'll see here that it says this. Now, all you want to do is you want to do Windows plus R and then type in resmon.exe. Once you do that, click OK. Then you'll see the resource monitor come up. All you need to do is type in the exe file's name. So in this case, it is UEVR injector. You can leave out the .exe. Then just wait a little bit and eventually you'll see every single handle or process that is using this file. So there's a lot here. All you do is you just click and drag all of them, right click, and then end process. End process, and this will come up. It says access is denied, but as you can see down here, UEVR is no longer open. Now click OK, close resource monitor, and now you can see I can delete UEVR.